Let's make a pattern in Procreate. First, we're going to open up whatever elements that you want to do a pattern with. Now I have these leaves, and I'm going to swipe down in the middle, copy all, swipe down again, and put paste. Then I'll go back into the layers and copy that 4 times. I'll duplicate it 4 times. After duplicating them, I am going to go into these tools and canvas, drawing guides, edit drawing guides. I'm going to go into the grid size and pull it all the way to the max so that it divides it equally by 4. Then I'm going to go into snapping and turn on snapping and magnetics, and I will be moving my leaves until they snap just like this. The yellow lines that you see are the guidelines to let you know that that is the middle of the element so that it will equally divide them. See how it snaps there? Now I'm going to do that to all of my other leaves. If you're liking this video so far, hit the like button and subscribe to see a part 2 on what you can make with this pattern. After that, I'm going to bring in my other element, which is this cute little pumpkin, and I'm going to snap him in the middle. And I'm going to duplicate him and do the same thing like I did with previous times, and I'm going to copy the whole canvas so that it has the leaves, and I'm going to shrink them down until they snap in the middle. After doing that, if there's any white space that you would like to fill up with any other elements, you can go ahead and do that. I'm doing that with these leaves. Then I'm going to do the same process over again, copy them and duplicate them and shrink them in the middle. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.